Plastic mechanical engineering requires a deep knowledge of the plastic manufacturing processes. Plastic technology that is often used in the manufacturing of plastic is the plastic injection molding. Other technologies that are also used, such as injection molding, blow molding, heat creation, extrusion, rotational molding, plastisol molding, compression molding, and transfer molding. Plastics are typically melted and molded. Good plastics design can significantly reduce molding costs by ensuring that every part has the proper strength required. Regular testing and calibration of injection and extrusion molding machine are critical to ensure that the process runs smoothly. As opposed to metals, plastics are lighter, more flexible, and more economical to produce. Quality and highly precise material selection is very important to produce durable and sturdy material, and at the same time can reduce the cost. Plastic industry is the most dynamic industry in the manufacturing sector in Malaysia. Plastic industry can be divided into 4 subsectors, namely packaging subsector, electric and electronics and automotive component subsector, consumer and industrial subsector, and others.
ULIC is established since 1976. So up to now, we are already into our 39 years of operation here in this location. We started off with selling some pharmaceutical bottles and industrial bottles. Basically, we are selling plastic bottles to pharmaceuticals company and toiletries and cosmetics company. Our clients are Pharmaniaga, GSK, which have the Panadol, selling Panadol, and toiletries and cosmetics like Anaku, Sukubusu, Jatain, Wipro Unza, and etc. In general, plastic industry is very big. Actually, if you are looking at plastic packaging, this market I think is about 5 billion pieces per month. So currently our capacity is about 500 million a month. So it's about 10% of the market share we are having. So in terms of plastic industry in packaging, we feel that it is a growing market, and the market is growing about 10 to 20% per year. All right, so I'm very sure that there's a demand here.
Now we use the extrusion blow molding machine. So most of our machine from Taiwan, there's a Kaimei brand. Yeah. Then the extrusion machine normally we use for water only yes, we blow water, and then normally we start with the resin the raw material resin. After that we go to the hopper and then go through a screw barrel we call. From the screw barrel they have a heater band to heat up the material about 180 degrees and above, depending on the material we use. After that they will go through we call parison, we come out as a parison, and then we have a mold. After that they cross up the mold and become a product. Of course they have another station for blow up the parison and become a product what you want. cap water, normally you use injection molding, sorry, yeah. Then that machine normally we just run for cap only lah, yeah. So they are starting also same from the raw material lah, yeah. Raw material, after that they go into the hopper, then go into the screw barrel lah, yeah, it's the same. And then come out as come to the mold, and they will inject to the mold lah, of course the material after heat up, yeah. And after that the mold will open and come out the end product lah. Then operator will check and do some checking lah. At UDIC here, I work around 10 years lah, as a production manager lah. Yeah. So experience more on blow molding and injection molding lah. Yeah. So I control supervisor and executive lah, all under me, and then the whole factory is under my monitoring.
A technician is responsible to ensure that supervisory duties are carried out smoothly, especially in the operation of processing and manufacturing machines in the factory. Apart from regularly conducting testing and inspections on the machines, cleaning work, repairs and maintenance should be carried out on schedule to ensure the longevity and productivity of the machines. In addition, a technician must ensure that power consumption and utilization procedures are in accordance with the specifications and safety codes set forth before the daily commencement of the operation in order to avoid any accidents and hazards.
Proses QC kita ada kita akan pastikan produk yang dikeluarkan daripada mesin itu okey. Okey, pertama, apabila barang keluar daripada mesin, sama ada cap atau botol, kita akan check. Pertama, kita akan check leaking test. Leaking test kita check dengan menggunakan vacuum chamber, mana botol dan cap kita masukkan air, dan kita test selama 10 minit. Dan daripada 10 minit tu kita akan dapat result leaking atau tidak. Okay. Yang kedua, kita akan check dimension. Dimension ikut kategori lah botol. Okay. Kategori A, B atau C. Yang ketiga, kita appearance check lah, estetik. Estetik kita akan pastikan tak ada reject dekat botol tu dengan cap. Quality control ni kita pastikan barang yang keluar daripada mesin untuk ke customer tu kena okey. Okay, kena okey. Dia kena lebih teliti semasa check berbanding daripada operator lah. Okay. Pastikan operator mengikut prosedur dia, prosedur kerja dia supaya tak terlepas sebarang defect yang ada dekat botol dan cap lah. Okay. Of course, kita kena pastikan customer yang receive barang daripada kita tu puas hati.
Yeah, the demand will be high, especially going to the next 2 or 3 years. On skill label, it's very difficult to get skill label. Let me explain a bit about the development of the skill label. When the students come out from the school, actually they have to work for at least 2 to 3 years, to get experience to be in that position whereby they can contribute, to the production team. And the skill that they accumulate in the school is a good fundamentals for them. But then we need special and specific skill as well. So that's where these 2-3 years will give them, the experience, working experience and hands-on experience. Okay. In terms of advice, I think from my work experience, I myself is a mechanical engineer, so I feel that if you stay on for a job, for the first advice is to stay on the job for at least 2 to 3 years. That is very critical, because the first years actually you are not doing anything, you're not learning anything, you're just getting yourself used to the environment, and for the senior to teach you, or to impart knowledge to you, you need a longer time frame. And for the second advice will be having a good working attitude. Right, so I think this is very important. I mean, regardless of whether you're in plastic industries, or other industries, so having a good working attitude is critical, right? So we basically feel that if you have a skill and right attitude, you can success, in every succeed in every career that you're embarking on. Yeah.
Currently, Malaysia is the net exporter of plastic products. The main products exported are plastic containers, plates, film, sheets, foils, strips, and other plastic goods. Plastic industry in Malaysia has been recognized as one of the most competitive in Asia. Therefore, it is important for Malaysian manufacturers to maintain their competitiveness through improved technology, enhanced